This is going to be a video tutorial on how to clear your local history in the Reddit app using an iOS device. I will be using an iPhone for this. Let me jump over to my iPhone here. I am on my phone now and I have the Reddit app opened up. To clear your local history, it's kind of the same as clearing your cache on the Reddit app. The way to do that, you want to go to Settings. I'm going to go up to the upper right hand corner. I'm going to tap on my little profile icon. Then I'm going to tap on the 3-bar hamburger menu in the upper right hand corner. Then I'm going to go down to where it says Settings and I'm going to tap on Settings. Now I'm going to scroll way down to the Advanced section. And in the Advanced section right down here, Clear Local History, I'm going to tap on Clear Local History. It asks me, is it okay to clear the local history? I'm going to tap on OK. It says local history is cleared. That is how to clear your local history in the Reddit app. Thanks for watching.